Let's see what she can do.
The following contest is a championship tournament first round match. Making her way to the ring from Copenhagen, Denmark, Samantha Wolf.
I've been thinking about it, and there is no one I trust less than this person. This is someone that would turn on anyone, even their own family.
It's called looking out for numero uno. Number one, Saxton. No one's going to help you win or help you get title opportunities. At the end of the day, you can only count on yourself.
Determination in her eyes. She is more than ready for competition.
And from Yokohama, Japan, Nomi, Shang.
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who could blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight.
She is ready for this big match, and she knows everyone backstage will be watching her make an impact.
And here we go in this tournament matchup. Who will move forward? Who will be erased off the bracket?
Tournaments have a tendency of surprise results, so we'll see if this match continues that pattern.
She flips it back on her.
From behind.
Ah, German suplex.
Wrenching the arm. Driven all the way down for a European arm breaker.
Uh-oh. Oh, to the back of the neck. What a lariat.
Able to get the advantage here.
Side kick on the mark.
Sent into the corner.
She's fighting back. Gotta hurt. That kind of force in the arm can have lingering effects.
Oh, solid forearm. Turns it around. Sole of the foot meets the stomach.
Answering back.
Uh-oh. Half and half suplex. Lights out.
And she is just not giving her any room to breathe.
Get
up. You gotta be kidding me.
the 1-2 punch of high risk, high reward. Measured elbow drop driven down.
She avoids the attack completely. She's pumping herself up, reaching out for that burst of energy.
Oh, there's an arm breaker. Right to the spine. Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly. What are you waiting for? Get back in there.
You tell him, Saxton.
Into the ring now. She scores big leg with... Oh, what a boot to the face!
It's all over but the crying.
Cover. Near fall. She was barely able to get that shoulder up.
I cannot believe she had the wherewithal.
That is firing your biggest shot, but leaving your prey left standing. Time to reload.
Look at these kicks and a...
Not the hair.
Byron, I'll explain to you what that feels like. Using the bottom rope.
Side kicks and all the way outside.
And her resolve's looking unsteady here.
This is where her grit will be put to the test.
What grace! Float over into the...
Float over. Nice. DDT.
Great counter. Boom! A forearm smack. She's taking a beating here.
When you're in a tournament situation, Cole, you tend to push yourself to your limits.
She bails in a hurry.
And she's giving the crowd a chance to...
Reminding her that she did not come here to play games. Oh, man.
Boom. Nice. Oh, the elbow connects.
Have you ever seen a human being tossed like that? Ow! That belongs on a highlight reel.
Ooh, look at her answering back. And back into the ring she goes.
Denied with an elbow.
Got the arm.
Gets to the ropes, and that's going to cause the ref to break the hold.
Point of the elbow finds the mark.
Momentum. These two are clearly fired up, going
Each shot landing with a little bit more venom.
Giving up now is not an option. They have to finish this.
Toe-to-toe, treating each other like heavy bags. Both absolutely drained, but both refusing to give up.
Kicks to the chest. She begins to stir back up, but doesn't look good. Oh, kick to the face. Just like she envisioned.
Makes a cover. It wasn't enough. She kicked out.
Not about to go quietly into the night.
That took some serious endurance, I'll give you that.
The best shot was thrown, but it couldn't put this match away.
And she is finally changing the tempo with that attack.
But she still has to do more to get this fully in her favor.
She now has gotten herself into a distressing spot.
Looks like she's having problems creating any of her own offense.
No, she kicks out.
She just won't stay down.
Big forearm.
Boom, what impact.
Roundhouse kick.
Will it be? She did it. She picked up the victory.
Here is your winner, Nomi, Shang.
A very strong showing in this women's division victory.
Love them or hate them, you know they did everything they could.